If you need to change your age on Epic Games, there's one very important thing to know right away. You usually cannot edit your birth date directly in your Epic Games account settings. So if you made a mistake when you signed up, the correct way to fix it is by contacting Epic Games support. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step, so you can request a date of birth update the right way. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games support page. You can find this by searching for Epic Games Help or by going directly to the official support website. Once you're there, look for the account section, then choose Contact Us. This is where you'll start the request for account-related help. Next, log into your Epic Games account if you aren't already signed in. Make sure you use the same account that has the incorrect birth date attached to it, because support will need to verify the right profile before they can help you. After you're logged in, you'll see a help box or a contact form that asks something like, "How can we help?" In that box, type a clear message such as, "I need to update my date of birth." Keep it simple and direct so the support team can understand your request right away. If there are any extra fields or prompts, fill them out carefully and explain that the birth date on the account was entered incorrectly during sign-up. If possible, include the correct information they need to review your case. Once everything is ready, submit the request and wait for Epic Games support to respond. They may ask you to confirm account ownership or provide additional details before they make any changes. That part is normal, so just follow their instructions carefully and respond as soon as you can. The key thing to remember is that you cannot normally change your age by clicking around in the settings yourself, so support is the official and safest method. After you submit the request, keep an eye on your email inbox and your Epic Games support messages for updates. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.